Hi guys! Good afternoon! Magluluto pala ako ng aking macaroni and chicken salad. So ito na yung aking 2 cups na macaroni, cooked macaroni. Tapos ito na yung mga ingredients na ihalo natin. Ito yung pineapple, cheese, sweet relish, raisins at carrot, and of course yung ating onion at saka yung shredded chicken. So ihalo na natin yung ating mga ingredients. So I miss this kind of food guys, nung parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. So yan, nagluto ako kasi I'm craving to eat this one and my hubby likes it too. But siyempre, yun, mostly sa atin kasi yung tinatawag nating salad, always matamis. Ito, medyo matamis at saka siyempre may chicken. So, try natin, ihalo natin. At saka ito yung ating 6 eggs. So, chop ko rin yung itlog na 6 na piraso. Tapos ihalo natin siya. So, tingnan nyo yan guys. Super yummy! I miss this food. So, okay. Ihalo natin lang. And of course, wow, my bowl is not big enough. So, tapos maglagay tayo ng 1.5 mayo. So, ito approximate lang yan guys. Huwag na natin i-measure kasi ito, mga half na yan. Tapos, yung ito, I got almost 1 cup here. Yeah, that's 1 cup. Expert na tayo dyan. And of course, half cup ng ating condensed milk. This is the one that's gonna make it sweeter. So, it's sweet, it's sour, and it's perfect. Okay, i-mix na natin yung ating mga ingredient. So, I know it's gonna be very delicious, guys. So, bear with me, okay? Tingnan niyo yung itsura niya. Oh, napaka-colorful. Oh! So, mix lang natin ng maigi ang ating ingredients. I'm gonna use this bigger one. Itsura niya, guys, oh. And it smells good too. Yan, perfect na yung ating mix na natin ng maigi. Maglagay tayo ng salt. Not a lot, just to help balance. And some pepper. So good. Ito yung tsura niya guys. Moment of truth. I'm not gonna use this one again, so I'm gonna use it to try to taste. It's so good. Try it guys. Make it your own. Have a wonderful